The sequence view is also a very powerful section. I find that a lot of people don't take the time to play with the sequence view and learn what all it can do. You can see that inside the sequence view you're going to get a little thumbnail image for all the items that fall under the color. Like right here we have this color is going to be showing out first. It's going to show you a little thumbnail image of each section. And this is the order in which the design sews out too, which is important to note that this will be the very first element that's going to sew, the second, the third, the fourth, and so it does give you your sequence, your sew sequence. And what the things you can do in here is you can expand this out, hitting the plus sign, and it's going to allow you to go stitch by stitch and select different objects here. And then you have the eyeball tool, which if you click on the eyeball, it's going to actually hide that entire object. So that's very handy sometimes when you're editing. Allows you to hide certain elements so that you can only see those that you're wanting to work with. Another handy object in here is your lock tool. When you have the lock tool selected, you can't change anything that has to do with that item. It won't even let you select it. If I click on it, you can see it doesn't select it in here. If I take that lock off, you can see now it does select it. So it'll keep any properties from being added to it. So once you get an object to where you want it, you can lock it so that you don't accidentally make any changes to it. So those are the different features and functions that are available. You do have the ability to move things around. Let's say that you wanted to do this white section before it did the red. You can actually click on that entire color, and you can drag it up and resequence it to where it's going to go at a different point. So, and you can do the same thing with the elements as well. You can click on this one if you needed it to be up here, click and drag it up here. You have the ability to do that using the sequence view. So you can click on this to select everything in the design, which is a very handy way to select all. So take some time to play with the sequence view. It's very powerful. Allows you to resequence your designs, allows you to see everything that belongs to a certain color, lets you move things around. It's a very handy tool.